Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Bali, time check is 1:26 dito sa local time ko. So ito na nga. After, since December kasi nag-umpisa eh. Na-receive ko yung job offer ko noong December, January, February, March, April, May. So, almost tama nga yung timetable nila. Umabot din ng 6 months. Kasi, yun nga, receive ko yung job offer by December. Work permit ko nag-start nung January. Tapos na-receive ko yung work permit ko last Feb 27. Big sak lang. Yeah, big. Tapos, nag-visa ako nung March 3. Dumating yung visa ko is April 23 or 24, something like that. So, yun. Bali, good news to say that on May 11, alis na po ako. Bali, yun nga, umabot din ng 6 months yung process sa account ko, yung journey ko pa Croatia. So, yun nga, update ko na lang kayo anong buhay doon. Si Talon, ready na rin, susunod na rin yun. Ride safe to all. Keep safe po, keep safe. Talon Adventures po ulit. At magandang hapon.